Marilla here.
Caitlin.
We're gonna put together a fan. So enjoy.
This is like the propeller.
Just like don't do that.
Okay. Wait, here's the instructions.
Okay.
This is gonna get good.
Number 1, read your instructions.
Oh yeah.
Always read your
In
instructions.
Spanish. It helps.
We should. Okay, go for it.
Okay, where's the Spanish part? There's no Spanish. Guys, I'm serious. There's no Spanish. How? Or is it bilingual?
That's when you know both.
Huh?
That's when you know both.
Oh, okay.
This is
Okay, where, fan assembly. Step 1. Oh no, we're supposed to have a screwdriver.
Are you for real?
We're screwed. When RSC is just too much. Okay.
It's been a long day, folks.
Yeah.
They can't even see
Remove
us.
2 screws from base of fan and save them for step 2.
Honey, we can't do that.
Oh my word, what on
Maybe
earth?
if I put it in from the top.
Step 2, place power cord wire through opening a plastic fan. All they can see is our faces. They can't actually see our.
This is a fan.
Oh,
Those are the instructions.
and we are still screwed.
Did not work. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Do we legit have to have a...
Dude, it says screw.
Wow.
Wire goes through opening and guide. Do you want to look at this?
Oh no.
I'm afraid you're gonna break
No,
our
look
only
at it.
chance
Look
of
at it.
survival. Okay, in case you don't know, it's like 800 degrees in here, and I'm wearing a jacket.
It's like 900, I believe.
Yeah, or 1,000.
Yeah.
It's pretty
There's
close.
Greasel. Ow,
Dude.
Loosen. Oh, I screwed it the wrong way. It's okay, everybody. I got it.
She's fine.
Dropped it.
Okay.
I really
I don't
want
wanna
to be
do
more
that
beneficial
because-
if you could see what we were actually doing.
Wow. Oh my word, it's an oven. Oh,
That's worse, actually.
that is awful.
That's
Oh,
closer.
that is my
That's worse.
hello.
Your hello. This is
Hello.
my hello. Oh my goodness.
Should I do an interpretive dance?
You're gonna break it before we ever get it together.
Oh,
Okay, I need the back half, which is gonna
this
be.
is that.
Yeah.
That is this.
Okay. How easy am I supposed
I don't understand.
I don't know what that. Oh wait, that comes off too.
Ooh. Dude, we're so gonna be late for rally. Why were you late? We had to put together a fan.
Which is not
What
what
time
you
is it?
do in your spare time.
It's 6:58,
Wait, maybe that.
so we have an hour.
Can you
Okay,
remove the
I get nothing.
protective covering? Thread plate cap. I'm just gonna put it together.
I'm glad you're here. I'd be staring at this.
Heck,
for
I'm so
hours.
good at stuff like this. Look at turns.
Ooh. Wait, does this have to go over that?
I don't know.
It kind of looks like it. Yeah, that looks like a fan.
I just hope when we plug it in, something spins.
Ugh. Ugh.
Okay,
Dude,
wait.
does
I
that,
gotta put
that
that.
probably should snap or it'll fly off.
No, wait here. Where's the? This is harder than it looks.
Yeah, we're going on 4 minutes.
Okay, now screw that in.
Okay. This is my moment to shine. Right or left? Righty, Lucy.
Left.
No,
To
lefty,
left.
Lucy. Righty.
Well, it says to. I had to do it to the left to loosen it. So, righty
well, that'd
tighty.
be right then.
It's opposite. I don't know. Now this is what
It's
I'm
not
worried
righty,
about.
Lucy.
Righty,
Okay.
tighty, lefty. Oh crud!
There we go.
That's not
Uh-oh.
on there right. I don't know how to get that on there actually.
Nice. Is that actually working? Oh,
Well,
it feels
it's
good.
spinning, but
I feel like that, is that, where?
maybe you're supposed to leave this one.
I feel like that's probably an important part. Maybe that pulse, that capacity.
Oh.
You got burnt too, man.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
Huh?
Don't tell anybody.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
Huh?
I'm just kidding. I'm being dumb.
Oh.
Okay, that goes. Okay,
looks-
that's why. Because I don't have it in the thingies. There. I
Oh.
put it on upside down.
She put it on upside
That's so
down.
silly. Okay.
Guys, I didn't wear gray on gray today, I promise.
Yes, you did.
No, I
She's lying.
didn't. I had a navy thing on.
No, I don't think so. And we wore a pink matching Converse.
We did.
Oh,
No,
you've got
this.
that.
Okay, left, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. It's 7.
Girl, we're gonna do it.
Yeah, we are. We are good.
5 minutes. We can install a fan in 5 minutes, dude. If we
Well,
plug
it's
this in
already
and it
past
works.
I'm gonna be so impressed. I did nothing.
Yes, you did.
No.
You screwed the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey thingy jigger.
That's opposite. So it's
Yeah.
really righty loosey, lefty tighty.
That's terrible, man. Who came up with that? This doesn't fit in here very well. Oh no, it came off. I don't have a screwdriver.
Where did your dad go?
Daddy, come build a fan.
Oh.
Okay, that goes in the bottom.
Maintenance. Repair. We need repair.
I just need it to cool down. That's not.
Is that right?
Well,
Should we risk it? We might
do
get
we
like
even?
blades in our face.
We're gonna try it, dude.
Ah! Oh, are you kidding me? The Spanish is on the box.
That's why we didn't get it right.
That's why we messed up.
That's not why we messed up, actually. I don't even know where to put it now. Oops.
Unplug my phone. Oh! Okay, we are taking a short trip to over here to all our junk. Okay, moment of truth.
Wait, I gotta put it
Maybe.
back on where it goes.
Oh, we're just scared me. It worked. Yes.
So good. Yes.
Oh, look at
It's
look.
spin fluctuate. Slower.
Oh.
Slower. Off.
But we need it on.
Bam. What?
Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we did that. Oh, we forgot a piece.
No, we didn't.
What happened?
Well, this thing won't stay in place because there's no screwdriver. We're okay.
we're good. Oh, okay.
Okay, maybe if we watch this.
Oh my word.
I can't check my text right now. Okay?
Yeah. Aw. You're gonna have to
Okay, so
unscrew
if
the
we
righty lefty thingy.
But I did so good getting it off. I think we really need that.
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd you go?
See, that's what we need the screwdriver for. I guarantee Mr. Craig has a screwdriver.
we should call him.
I talked to him on the
Ready?
phone today. Please don't call him though. Mr. Craig! Okay, screw that on there.
Okay. It goes.
Okay, so we're up to 7 minutes, but we're still doing a very good job.
We are.
If this works, I'm just gonna be happy. You ready?
Wait, don't push it. Okay, we didn't have it tight enough. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Okay. You know what?
We don't need the other part.
Works good. It works fine.
It's good.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright. Peace out. This
Bye.
has been Raylan, Caitlin. We
Yeah.
fix things. We
We're
break things.
good.
We
We're
fix things.
good.
Bye.